Good morning, student. Class 3rd, Chapter 10, Our Feathered Friends. Question and answers. Again, Class 3rd, Our Feathered Friend. Let's get started. Write short answer. Question number 1. Why are the bones of most birds hollow and light? Answer. Bones of the birds are hollow and light as this allow them to fly easily. Okay, these are birds, they are fly because they have hollow and light bones. Understand, students? Okay, next question is question number 2. How many pairs of tail feathers do birds usually have? Answer. Birds usually have 6 pairs of tail feathers. How many pairs of tail feathers? Only 6 pairs of tail feather. Understand? 6 pairs of tail feather. Okay, students? Now, next question. Name 2 nectar feeding birds. Answer. 2 nectar feeding birds are hummingbird and hooded oriole. Look at the picture, students. Number 1 pick is the hummingbird. Number 2 pick is the hooded oriole. Question number 4. Why do birds give out alarm calls? Answer. Birds give out alarm calls to warn or signal other birds of some danger. Listen, students. Alarm calls is the warning signal. Alarm calls is the warning signal. Understand? Okay, now next is write long answers. Question number 1. What are type of feathers? How do feather help the bird? Answer. Feathers are important for flying and also for protection against the rain, the heat of the sun or the cold weather. Okay, birds have 3 different type of feather on their body. Number 1, down feathers. The down feathers cover a bird's body and keep it warm. Number 2, body feathers. Body feathers give shape to bird's body. Number 3, flight feathers. The flight feathers cover the wings and tail of a bird and help it to fly. Listen, I repeat it. Birds have 3 different type of feather on their body. Number 1, the down feather. Number 2, the body feather. Number 3, the flight feather. Okay? Okay. Now look at this picture. It is a picture of a bird. In this shown body feathers, flight feathers, tail feathers and down feathers. Okay? How many type of feathers? Body, down and flight. And tail feathers also, it help to fly. Understand? Okay, next question is, how are beaks useful to birds? Give 2 example. Answer. Flesh-eating birds like hawk, owls and eagles have sharp and hooked beaks to rip and tear the food. Okay, and seed-eating birds have cone-shaped beaks that are strong enough to beaks through the shell of the nuts. Okay, flesh-eating bird, sharp and hooked beaks. Seed-eating birds, strong and cone-shaped beaks. Okay, understand, student? Okay, now look at the picture. Number 1 pick is the flesh-eating bird beak. Number 2, seed-eating bird beak. Okay, understand? Okay, next question is, what are the various kind of sound made by birds? Answers. Birds make many different kind of sounds. Number 1, alarm calls. Alarm calls are short, sharp and preaching. It is to warn other birds. Understand? Number 2, contact calls. Birds also make contact calls to other birds while flying. They are called chirps, chips and buzzes. Number 3, Flight call. Flight call are slightly musical calls. Give to other birds while flying. Number 4. Songs. Many birds sing songs which are usually musical and longer sounds. Birds use this sound to attract other birds and drive away enemies. Understand? How many type of calls? 4 type of calls. Alarm calls, contact calls, flight calls and songs. Okay, now listen word song. Okay, last question. Question number 5. Why do birds migrate? Name a few words that migrate to India. Answers. Birds migrate from one place to another over large distance to find better food and warmer climates. What? Better food and warmer climate. There are many migratory birds that come to India during the winter season. Example. Number 1. Siberian cranes come from Russia and Siberia. Number 2. Greater flamingo and the blue throat and other popular migratory bird which come to India. Okay student, do you understand now why birds migrate? Find better food and warmer climates. Example, Siberian cranes come from Russia and Siberia. Number 2, greater flamingo and blue throat, other popular migratory birds. Look at the picture. This is the Siberian crane.